Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change default notification sound and haptics on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on settings. Okay, scroll down, click on sound and haptics. Okay, then tap on ringtone. Haptics default. That's all. Then back, then customize any sound, then ringtone, text tone, voice, email, new mail, sent mail, then all. Change default notification sound on haptics in iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.